on the first day X-ray, it was quite clear that SI joints were not compensating for any limb length discrepancy because there was no deviation in the lumbar spine. If the spine has to go left or right in the upper area, let's say dorsal or cervical, it had to start from the lumbar spine itself. So there was nothing here. That was also giving us an indication that it was more of a postural thing. So we have Dr. Nitin here. He will measure and tell us whether there is any true length discrepancy or not. So as there is only 2 centimeters of difference, it won't qualify as true length discrepancy. So that whole kinetic chain thing finishes here. As it is done in so many cases, I am finding out these days that people walk into our clinic and telling us that their foot arch is causing scoliosis. Well, that also happens, but not in every case. We have to be very careful that if there is a limb length discrepancy, shortened or lengthened, then the whole chain starts disturbing because the SI joint has to compensate for anteriorizing or posteriorizing according to the limb length, and that causes convexity or concavity in the lumbar spine, and that causes a change, compensatory change in the dorsal or cervical spine. So it is quite possible, but not in every case. So I suggest everybody, whoever is assessing the patients, please be thorough with it. You can't blame everything on the arches or the limb length. Deep breath, shoulder out.
So on 15th day again I am assessing his posture. Shoulders seems quite aligned now. It was awkwardly down, now it seems quite good. Palpating the spine. Now the segments come straight in line. Coming down. The low back was completely flat. Now we can see lordosis is achieved here. Now coming towards SI joints. Aniket, आप आगे की तरफ bend करना. We can see both SI joints are moving nicely. Come back. This is day 1 X-ray of Mr. Aniket. We can see starting from the neck, the spine is coming towards left, a mild right kink, and then again left, and then along the mid back it's coming straight. We measured the Cobb's angle here and it was around 13 degree on day 1. Then if I see the low back, we can see this is completely flat. L5, S1, L4, L5, these both segments, the space is compromised, which is indication of mild prolapse here at L4, L5 and L5, S1 junctions. Spine is coming straight now from the neck, and we can see the lordosis also. The results are really great. Wow, that's amazing. Looking at the lordosis, almost normal, good space here, and the rotations which were present at 4, 5, 5, S1 are gone now. It's absolutely straight now. I think 8 degrees. This is day 15th X-ray. सारे सेगमेंट्स को हमने पहले एनालाइज किया था. वी आर कंपेयरिंग इट. 13 डिग्री जो कोब्स एंगल है वो अब 9 डिग्रीज यहाँ पे रह गया है. दिस इज ओनली सेगमेंट जिसमें थोड़ी बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट्स अभी आना बाकी है. मैंने मतलब इट्स बीन 15 days that I am taking treatment here in the healing hand, and initially I was feeling pain in my neck, in my lower back, and even I noticed in gym that my rib cage was lifted up. When I was doing bench press, that I noticed it's been like, it feels like bloated kind of, and that was the moment when I decided that I should take treatment for this. So I even visited 2 other clinics. तो वहाँ पे जब मैं गया, सारी चीज़ें बताई, तो उन्होंने कुछ एग्जामिन नहीं किया. मैं वीडियोस देख के गया था, बट दे डिडंट ट्रीटेड मी एज दे शो इन देयर वीडियोस. तो उन्होंने एग्जामिन नहीं किया, सजेशन कर दिए कुछ सेशन एंड ऑल. तो आई वाज नॉट सेटिस्फाइड. देन आई गॉट टू नो अबाउट हियर एंड आई केम हियर. तो यहाँ पे भी मैंने सेम चीज़ें बताई, बट
as you guys examined me, और तब मुझे पता चला it's not only because of the prosthesis, it was mainly because of the bad posture basically. So now after the sittings, the pain is gone in my neck, and a lot of improvement in my lower back also, and rib cage is now settled. It's at the place where it should be now.
It's
I can
balanced
see
now.
it's balanced. I can see it. So I'm really thankful to you and Dr. Jayant, and I would highly recommend if anyone is thinking to visit here. From my personal experience, you will get the best treatment here, and even the environment is very comfortable, friendly, and very cooperative. So you will feel comfortable here.